Welcome back to Insibles, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. I'm going to go over AMC with you guys. AMC has been cooling off recently. I'm going to go over exactly what levels we need to hold above going into this week and what exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart with you guys here on AMC. Again, AMC has been cooling off recently, so I'm going to go over exactly which levels we need to hold above and what exact our overall pattern looks here like on AMC. I know AMC has been consolidating overall. A lot of people confuse exactly what is happening here. I'm going to go over exactly what is happening here. But before I do get started, I want to mention that we do alert breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned DATs yesterday on their volume spike at $9.40, jumping up to $12.89 going to extended hours, over 25% on that breakout. We mentioned GROM on their volume spike at $3.80, jumping up to $5.60 on the day, over 35% on that breakout. And another one that we mentioned was STPI at $1.79, jumping up to $2.38 on the day, over 25% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert again. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have been overall consolidating, looking to see if we can break out of this consolidation. But I want to show you guys exactly why we have been consolidating. As you guys can see, we previously did have this symmetric triangle, looking to see if we can break above it. And as you guys can see, we broke below it. We did have that confirmation on that consolidation here at that point in time. But as you guys can see, we are overall consolidating in this symmetric triangle, looking to see if we can break into this $48 to $58 range that we had previously. Again, you guys can see we had the 20 moving average crossing above the 50 at this point in time, and we could not hold this range between $48 and $58. And as you guys can see, we could not hold this range because we had that decrease in buy pressure at the point in time. As you guys can see, we broke into that range between $48 and $58 with not as much buy pressure as we needed, and we did have that decrease in momentum, giving us that increase in sell pressure, giving us that consolidation on down here. Now, as you guys can see, we are overall creating a symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we can break out of it. And I'm going to back up here to our previous breakout point, which we also did mention here on the channel. As you guys can see, we did overall consolidate after this major spike that we did have here with AMC. And as you guys can see, we overall did consolidate. Not many people expecting for this one to break out at this point in time. As you guys can see, we had this spike up, and then we came back down, tested the 20 moving average, and then bounced right off of it and had that clean major breakout. So again, looking for the same pattern to play out here on AMC. As you guys can see, we have that spike coming on down, and as you guys can see, we are below the 20 moving average. So we're looking again for the 20 moving average to cross back above the 50 and then break into this $48, $58 range and then break out of our symmetric triangle at that point in time. So in my opinion, if we do break out of the symmetric triangle, break into this $48, $50 range, then we will be looking for confirmation on that major breakout at that point in time. So going into this week, I would be looking to see if we can hold over this $40 range that we have here from $48 to $58 and then break into this $48 to $58 range to have a continuation, in my opinion. And again, AMC on the symmetric triangle has been respecting the symmetric triangle. As you guys can see, we are bouncing right off of it. And a lot of people expecting for us to have a major sell-off, as we did create lower lows here on the 4-hour chart. But as you guys can see, again, we are overall consolidating here on the symmetric triangle, respecting the symmetric triangle, looking to see if we can bounce back up. And if we can get the 20 moving average to cross back above the 50 here, and we can have these candles bounce above that 20 moving average just like we have here. As you guys can see, again, we had that clean breakout because we had these candles above the 20 moving average and bounced right off of it. So again, I would be looking to see if we can bounce back above the 20 moving average, possibly come back up, maybe even retest this $40 range and then possibly bounce up into this $48 to $50 range. If we do not break over this $50 range and we do not have that confirmation like we did not have previously when we broke into this $48, $50 range, having that decrease in buy pressure, then we could come up and possibly come back down and test $48 and possibly break out from there and bounce off that 20 moving average at that point in time. As you guys can see, overall the 20 moving average is looking to see if they can scoop up here. So no surprise if we do scoop up here and we do have that breakout exactly at that point. So again, AMC going to stay on the watch, making sure we do stay within this symmetric triangle. If we do break down below the symmetric triangle, and especially if we drop down below this $30 range, then we could break down from there. So again, AMC will stay on the watch, making sure we can break out of our symmetric triangle here. And if we can, again, break into that $48, $58 range and get more confirmation here on the MACD. Again, as you guys can see, we have some buy pressure, giving us the chance to respect this symmetric triangle. And if we can increase in buy pressure and we get these email lines to cross back above the MACD, then we could have a continuation. As you guys can see, again, we had that major breakout here on AMC because we had these EMA lines above the MACD, and we had our continuation because we had the EMA lines still above the MACD on that major spike. Looking for the same thing to happen here, looking for these EMA lines to cross back above the MACD here on the 4-hour chart, and then get that increase in buy pressure. In my opinion, we will get more confirmation if we do break above our previous buy pressure point here at this point. So to set that alert here, you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you can put that alert right above your previous buy buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we will have more confirmation on that momentum. And to have that major breakout and that possible squeeze, a lot of people are curious about what exactly would give us confirmation on that squeeze. As you guys can see, we had our previous momentum and previous buy pressure point here on the MACD, looking to see if we can break above that point here to have that squeeze that we would be looking for. So in my opinion, AMC definitely on the watch, looking to see if we can get more momentum here. Again, looking to see if we can respect the symmetric triangle here to have that major breakout. We'll keep AMC on the watch, making sure we do increase in volume, of course, to make sure we do get more momentum. But AMC, again, respecting our symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we can break out from here, making sure we do not drop below the symmetric triangle is exactly what we're looking for. And again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of today, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert of it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls, hope you guys all have a great weekend. Much love to you guys as always. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us refine it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.